Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install Minimap on Minecraft. So the first thing, open up browser, then you need to just write Xaero's Minimap and then select Moderate. Once you select Moderate, then select game version, select latest game version here. In my case is 1.21.7 and the platform, select Fabric. Then you just need to download the latest file here and save it to your computer. Next thing what you need to do here, you need to open up Google again and write Fabric MC and click the first link fabricmc.net. Then press download here, then download Universal Jar, save it to your computer as well. Then what you need to do here is to download Fabric API and then press download here, then download file, right? Wait for a couple of seconds, save it to your computer. And once you have all the three files, what you need to do next is to look for a Fabric installer, right click on it, open with, and then Java Team Platform SC binary, right? Wait for a couple of seconds, select Minecraft version 1.21.7 or you downloaded, and then press install, right? And you should get this message here. If for some reason it's failed, that's because you don't have Java 21. So you just need to open up browser, where's the browser? Open a browser, go Java 21 download and download Java 21 to your computer. And then what you need to do here is to open up Minecraft launcher, right? And also I forgot to mention, before you install the Fabric thing here, make sure Minecraft is completely closed, and also you had to play it once the version that you're in, right? Then what you need to do here is to go to a installations here, then look for Fabric loader, and then what you need to do here is to go to installation folder here. Then what you need to do is to look for mods folder. If mod folder, you cannot find mod folder, you can just press new and just create new folder, right? Then what you need to do here is to drag and drop these files here to mod folder for you, and then simply launch the game through Fabric loader, right? And then just go to single player, select your world or create new one. And as you can see here, there is a minimap. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.